Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trade People's Tips again. Now, we've got ourselves a Yibo Young LCD universal charger. Yeah? Now, the first thing we found with this charger is that it is not exactly universal. For certain batteries, it won't fit. Now, I've got it here. This is what it comes like. And if you slide that across, it should hold the batteries. We have a Samsung battery here. This is from a Samsung S4, I think it is. Alright. So if we put that there, open that out, we just use our battery, slide it across, let it back. On the top here, right, you can see we have our battery in upside down, because the connector pins, negative, positive, and your connectors are over here. Actually, it doesn't matter, because you can slide that across to where you want. But in saying that, I should imagine any pin is which, because it doesn't stay on here which one is positive and which one is negative. So if we slide that up there, all we've got to do now is make sure the pins line up with the connector just inside there. And then we just slide our battery up, and you can see it lights up. At the moment it's just lit and nothing's happening. So with it comes a plug here. You can either use this plug which plugs on just like that, or if you're in another country where the power supply is like that, so you can plug it straight in the wall. We've also discovered from your USB you can plug your charger into there and hopefully plug this end into your phone and charge it. At the moment it's not coming on.
Wrong phone.
Wrong phone.
I think it's for this one.
No, but this is a should fit any. This ain't got a battery in it.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is a battery from the S4.
Yeah.
And this one is a battery. These batteries are both the same size, so better not get these batteries mixed up. No, they're both the same size battery, so they're from the same phone. Here we have another S4. I think it's an S4. I don't know what the phone is. I'm gonna switch it on and it will tell us. S3.
Okay.
Alright. So if we take the battery out of this one, and again put it in there, sorry, slide it across there, got your battery in, and then you get your pins lined up, positive, negative, and you slide your battery forward so you can see what you're doing, and there you go. Okay, what we're going to do this time with it is we're going to plug it in so we can see exactly what it does. We're going to have to do a full charge from start to finish on a flat battery and see how it works before we can give you a feedback on that. But first thing I found with this charger, because of the way it is made, you find that depending on how you're using it, it won't allow you to use another socket next to it, depending on how it's laid out. Alright, so if we put our battery back in, slide it up there. Is that right?
They're not in place. No.
Is it scrolling? Right, now you can see it scrolling along there, and it also shows you how much charge is in the batteries. At the moment it's 50%. It's 25, 50, 75, 100. So at the moment it's 50% charge. But what I really wanted to show you, it says it's universal, but we have a battery, I have a S7,
J7.
a J7, again Samsung, and this battery, if I push that right across as far as it'll go, the battery is too big, so it won't charge a J7 battery. Right, so far let me just recap what we've done. Okay, we've done, this is a S3, is it?
S3, yeah.
S3, we've tried the battery for that, which is this one, that works fine. So we put that back in there. Your phone case, let me just show you just in case you don't know. Just click that on. Alright, just press this on. If you look at just at the top there, a little gap there, if you get your fingernail in there, that's how easy it is to open your phone. Put it back on, line it up, squeeze it, that's your phone back together. Press and hold the side button and your phone will start to boot up. Okay, so we put that one there. This one again.
Side.
Come to the side, there's a clip. Put your finger in there, pull it apart. There's your battery. Again, just flip it out and it comes out. Put your case back on, squeeze it up. And that's your phone back together again. This is our new battery that doesn't fit, so we're going to have to devise another way to charge this battery. So I'll just put that back in a box for a minute, put that over there. These are just different types of chargers, leads, you can see. This one here, but let me tell you this before you go any further. These leads, when you buy the original lead, yeah, because inside here we have pins. I'll use this one just to show you this a bit better. Each of these connect little copper gold pointers, they're connectors. Same thing you have inside here, but when you buy off the market lead, like you might go into the pound shop, there is no way of telling how many of these are connected in the lead. So what will happen, you will put this in your phone. Oh, this phone is a joke. You put, that's the wrong phone, let's use this one. You put it in your phone, and it may or it may not charge, or it may not transfer data. It will do several different things. I've had the occasion where I've put it in, plugged it into the charger, and it charges so slow. So I'll always advise, get a proper lead, original lead. You may pay a little bit more for it, but
it's worth it.
It's worth it, no headache. Right, now this is our iPhone. Battery is concealed, you can't charge it on there. So we'll just plug that one in and it is charging away like a good one. So if you have any charging problem, first thing I would check is this. Now, the reason for buying a charger like this is because your charge points in here, in the bottom of your phone, sometimes break, lose, whatever there happens to it, but your phone is still good. So rather than get rid of your phone, what you do, you get a charger like this, so you can charge up your batteries independently. If I can just get my points lined up again. I can't see properly. I need to go back a bit. I'm going to press it forward, and straight away you can see it's doing its thing. So that's our battery, that's our phone, that's our lead. I think I've covered everything. Have I missed anything?
No.
So there you go, that's another tip. Okay, these plugs, as you can see, you can get them old style, old size. Again, if I plug this one out, I can't get this stupid thing out. No, this one won't work, but it works today. But you get an old style, old.
This one's different as well.
Okay, yeah, thanks. All different styles and shape. This one I think comes apart as well, I'm not sure. Whether or not it does, we don't even matter. But there you go, they'll all work just the same way. Again, try and get original.
Yeah.
Original costs you a little bit more, but you ain't got no headache. If it don't work, it's easier to eliminate and troubleshoot and get rid of whatever the fault is. With this one, once you're guessing all the time what's the problem, and that's it.
Goes to show that these are not then universal if
Yeah,
they're
it
not.
is not exactly universal as it says it is, because it doesn't fit
all the chargers.
all the batteries.
Yeah, the batteries.
Yeah, so once again, from Tradespeople's Tip, if you feel like subscribing, subscribe. If you don't, no hard feelings. Till next time, see you later. Good luck. Okay, now I said see you later to you all, but before I go, I've looked all around this box, and the only thing I can find in English is the name of the charger. The rest of it is in Chinese, Japanese, Taiwanese. I ain't got a clue. I don't speak the lingo. Yeah, but down here you do have English, so that's about all you need to know. Well, you know how the thing works. I've just shown you. So again, see you later. Good luck.
Disturb my peace.
Okay, here we go again. We've connected a battery. This is a Samsung S4. Sorry, I kept saying it was an S5 yesterday. It is actually an S5. So we're going to put the battery on charge now to see how long it takes to charge it. This battery is dead, or deadish. So we're going to see how long it takes to charge. So we're going to put it in. Another thing is, where I said it wasn't a multi-purpose device, if you consider that it's got the USB that you can plug in there and plug into another phone, I suppose it does pan out to be a multi-purpose charger. Does it? I don't know. Is it phone charger or battery charger? Anyway, let's stop talking rubbish. We're going to plug this in and time it, see how long it takes to charge up. See you again soon. Yeah, so if we come over here now, where we have our extension lead, and we line it up and plug it in just there, and straight away it starts to scroll. I don't know whether you can see that. It's scrolling. Okay, come back and check it in about an hour. Okay, I'm back again after an hour. Now, I don't know whether you can see that, yes or no. We've got 25% after an hour. This is not a very good charger at all. 25% per hour. What's that, 4 hours to charge a battery? Ridiculous. Anyway, we keep an eye and leave it for another hour and see what happens. Okay, there's my battery. See, the last bit is just flickering on it. It's been on 4 hours now. I'm not sure how long it's supposed to take for charge a battery from flat to fully charged, but you can check that out yourself. But imagine the stage is set now, it just needs a couple more minutes, so I'm going to change it anyway. Yeah, so that's a little rundown on that little charger there. So good luck, happy charging.
later.